Tired of endlessly pitching your services? Let's flip the script and find clients who are already looking for you on Fiverr. First, head over to fiverr.com and sign into your account. If you don't have one yet, now's the perfect time to create one. It's free and easy. Once you're logged in, look at the top right corner of your screen and hover your mouse over your profile picture. A drop-down menu will appear. Make sure that you are on buying side. If you are on selling, then switch it to buying. You can do this by clicking buying or switch to selling. Alright, now in the top bar navigate over to more option. Click on the more button. A drop-down menu will appear. From this drop-down, find and click on Buyer Requests. This is where the magic happens. You're now on the Buyer Request page. Here, you'll see a list of potential clients posting their project needs. They're essentially telling you what they're looking for. Look at the filters at the top. You can filter by category and subcategory to find requests that perfectly match your skills. Each request shows you the description of the project, the buyer's budget, and how much time you have left to send an offer. Read each request carefully to see if it's a good fit for your skills and expertise. If you find a request you are interested in, craft a compelling offer. Be specific about how you can help the buyer, why you're the best person for the job, and clearly state your price and delivery time. Personalize each offer, don't just copy and paste. After sending an offer, you can track its status in the Sent Offers tab. Remember to be patient and professional in your communication. Regularly checking the Buyer Requests page and sending well-crafted offers will drastically increase your chances of landing new clients. Happy freelancing!